All right, y'all, so look at the profits we are at today. Right now we are down basically 200. However, I do see it going up. This is S&P right now that we're actually looking to trade. I'm about to hop into a meeting right now as well. So y'all stay tuned for that. Other than that, this is, like I said, this is pretty much really what we're looking at. And I'm about to hop into a meeting. By the way, guys, make sure you check the link down below to get in our wait list for the new CopyCrusher platform. For any trader out here that's looking to copy through Discord without you having to actually manually put in a trade. If somebody calls out something through Discord, it'll automatically be copied into your trading account. Additional to that, you can follow other traders to copy from. Additional to that, there's so much more that I want to talk about, but I just can't now. So make sure you join the wait list. And other than that, I'm going to keep y'all posted on this as well. And stay tuned for that. All right, y'all, so the meeting went well. Just want to show y'all update of where we at today. Really, right now with the trade, as y'all see right now, we're pretty much up 5 piece. I'm about to actually close out the trades just because it is 11:12 actually. No, damn, didn't realize that. So I'm about to close out these trades. Make sure y'all check the links if y'all want to sign on with HankoX. That's what I'm using for my broker right now. But right now we are at the stool, and really today is really nothing special. Actually, today is pretty much something special because today we're officially turning this podcast into a podcast set. It's been collecting dust. This whole back area has been collecting dust. So we are officially turning this one into a podcast set. So what we're gonna do is, once we get Q here, we got T in the building. Make sure y'all go ahead and like and subscribe to her YouTube. I got her to start a YouTube channel, kind of.
If you're not filming at Black Experience Studios, it's crazy. It's crazy work. It's just crazy work, especially if you're in the Chicago, Illinois area. It's just crazy work. Go ahead, check out the website, the Instagram at blackexperiencestudios.com.
There you go. So make sure you guys check out the website. But first and foremost, for those that don't know who I am, yeah, I trade, but I also invest my money into other things because that's the most important thing, right? As a trader, as a Forex trader or futures trader, essentially a day trader, right? Retail trader, there's the type of form of word I was looking for. It is important to understand you're still working a job. Not necessarily working for somebody, but you're working for yourself, but you're still working. And since you're still working, you have to understand how to maneuver your money in different avenues. Don't put your money in one basket. Don't assume that trading is going to be the only income. And don't make it the only income, because a lot of times you will want to quit a job just to become a full-time trader. And essentially a full-time trader doesn't even mean staying on the computer all the time. It's just making the money you was making at your full-time job part-time as a trader. So that's basically what I do. Everything you guys see here is all funded by Solo, and everything you see here is all money made by me. Now, fun fact, when we actually got this studio, really this warehouse, as you guys see. Now, I know you guys are watching this, but I want to talk to you about today's sponsor, which is Margex. So Margex is a crypto exchange that allows you to trade crypto, futures, Forex, and even crypto options. But now, of course, they're just more than that. They actually offer copy trading inside their platform in addition to way more other things. But most importantly, Margex decided to start another airdrop, and this airdrop is called Hamster. Now, over $5 million of Hamster Combat token for airdrops is available up to $5,000 per user. If you ever want to check out more of this information, of course, you can do that by checking the link down below. All of the details is in the link below. But additional to that, how this whole process works is, first you sign up through Margex, you actively trade on the platform, and how you do that is with the referral link that you see down below, and you'll have the ability to add your funds into Margex, and then you can start trading from here. Like I mentioned earlier, they have tons of different options you can trade from. You of course have your cryptos. You also have the option to trade futures if you ever want to go that route. You also have the option to trade Forex if you ever want to go that route as well. So this platform has endless assets for you to utilize. Not only that, but if you ever want to get the chance to copy other traders that is profitable, you can do so by coming over here to the copy trading side, and you can follow any trader you would like. The beauty of this is you can see all of the stats you would like to see as far as their win rate. You can see the total profits. You can see the strategy equity they're using, and you can see the graph charts and everything you need to see to understand the strategy. Now, after you have utilized the platform and trade through the platform, basically you wait until the end of the airdrop, and then you'll be able to claim your hamster token. Sign up with the referral link down below. Trade as much as possible and get the best prizes as you can. Claim your hamster token after the airdrop is over. So if you guys are interested in signing up, make sure you do so by clicking the link down below. Let's go ahead and get right back to the video. We had popcorn ceilings at the top. The walls were gray. We had old bluish greenish carpet on the floor. The doors were brown. So let me just show you guys. These doors were brown. The frames were brown. Hopefully I could pop up a photo or video if I got something so y'all can understand my vision, where I'm going at, where I'm getting at. But that time there was a pretty great, it was a great month. I had actually a great 2 weeks. And I remember I made like 6K that week. And I was like, damn, man, I need some money. So I decided to go really hard into trading. And I took the money out, withdrew it, and I basically just put it all into getting the floors done, getting a paint job done, getting the drop ceilings out. And I think that's pretty much what I spent on that. So it's like a little bit of renovation. I think that was probably, and it wasn't even a lot as what most of y'all would have expected, but probably like 10,000 I spent on that. Nothing too crazy. That's minus me paying for the floors though. This is just all labor and whatnot. And I think the paint, yeah, you know, it was the floors and the paint. I think some of that was included. But yes, guys, so today we're going to be putting together a fireplace. Nothing too special. And then just showing you guys everything around the solo world. Like I said, man, the topic of the day, there's no topic of the day, but the quote of the day, not really a quote, is just to get the fuck up and put in work. Consistency is driven by discipline. In order to be disciplined, you need to have some sort of passion. Motivation is driven by what you see, what people have that you want. Temporary pleasure. Nice cars, nice jewelries, vacations, nice house. That's our motivation, which is temporary. So if you living in that mindset of temporary and you wonder why you have ups and downs, or 1 week you're doing very well and the next week you're like, I don't want to do this no more, it's because you're moving off of temporary boost and you're not moving off of discipline. Discipline is based off of passion. Once again, you need passion to be disciplined because that's what's going to make you go to the next step. And you do need motivation to boost you, but that's only temporary and that can only get you to a certain level, certain amount of time. So remember that quote, guys, because that's very important. And without that, yeah, you ain't gonna get nothing done. So yeah, we got the studio. What you doing, T? Oh, you need this here. Yeah. There you go.